Today's video is highly dedicated to all those lovers who had a breakup. Hello everyone, welcoming all to Manifesting Dream ADC. In today's topic, I'm going to discuss on how to change your lover's mind using law of attraction. Yes, you heard it right. Now you can change your lover's mind using law of attraction. If you had a breakup, I'm sure by using this technique, you can definitely get them back to you shortly. Whenever we hear the term breakup, I know we all might be undergoing lots of stress, depression, and many negative thoughts starts to arise. If it is, I recommend you to watch my video on how to get rid of negative thoughts. It is placed in the info button in the top right corner. I suggest you to watch that video after this. So here comes our step number 1 in order to change our specific person or our boyfriend or girlfriend's mind or our husband or wife's character or whatever decisions they have taken. This is the step number 1, that is believe or trust. The key to any successful manifestation is to believe that yes, I am going to achieve this. Yes, he is going to unblock me. Yes, we are going to get back together. Yes, he is not filing any divorce. Whatever you wanted to think, that you have to strongly believe that yes, you are going to achieve this. Just forget the current reality. I know that the current reality is something that is almost, I can say that 100% it might be making you low. But my friends, this is just for a shorter period of time. Whenever we feel confident that we are going to get back with that specific person, you will feel that confidence. You will get that belief or that stress that yes, I am 100% going to get back to my specific person or to my loved one. This is something that you need to create now. My friends, do you know what you think, what I think, what they think? Everything is recorded in our subconscious mind. Remember, our subconscious mind can be considered as a soil and our thoughts can be considered as the seed to it. So, you have to become more careful in planting your thoughts. You cannot get an apple from a strawberry tree, right? So now you might be asking me, now in this moment I had a breakup or I am having a very tough situation with my loved one or my specific person. Is that something that I had already manifested? Definitely yes. In some part or in some corner of your mind, this is something that you might have already manifested. So this point, I am asking you to change all your thoughts, because when he is not talking to you or when that specific person is not behaving you the way they were behaving before, that might feel or that might have created a sense of insecurity between you and him or you and her or that specific person, right? So now it is your turn. Now it is your turn to believe that you both, whatever has happened, right? So now it is your time to make it in the right way. Definitely you can change anybody's mind. Definitely you can change that specific person's mind. If at all and another third party is there in your life, you can definitely take away that woman or that man away from your specific person and get your loved one back to you. I am 100% sure. But for that, what we need to believe or to have 100% trust that we can achieve this. We are going to win this battle. Okay, as it is already said that you cannot get a strawberry from an apple tree, right? So that's why I'm saying whatever we think, that is something that is happening to us. If you think good, then everything good will happen to you. If you think bad, then everything is going to become negative for you. So now what you want to think, you need to think positive. I know that this situation you might be feeling very low, but my friends, believe that your time starts from now on. How much you want to cry or how much you wanted to become sad or whatever it is, you just do it for one full day, and the next day you have to think that this is a new day for me. Whatever has happened is for the past. This is the new me, and I am having the 100% confidence and 100% trust that my loved one or my specific person is going to come back to me. When you are having that particular or this sort of feeling that you can definitely change his or her mind or that specific person's mind, then definitely universe is going to grant that wonderful person into your life. 100% universe will grant you. Why don't universe grant you? Universe has got, universe is waiting for us to get whatever we want. The universe is waiting to give us. So now when we want something, just ask the universe. The universe will give us. But the thing is, we should remove all the negative beliefs or all the negative thoughts. That's the reason why I have already asked you to watch my video on how to get rid of negative thoughts. The negative thoughts is something that must be get rid of. Okay, so I hope that this step number 1 is completely understood by you guys, right? So here moves on our step number 2, that is scripting. So now what do you mean by scripting? The scripting is the process of writing or to script using a pen and a paper, in which you bring or you write down your dreams and brings emotions into it. While you're writing, you are bringing the emotions. You are making your dreams to be alive using this pen and paper. How do we do it? It's very simple. Daily in the morning when we wake up, what you need to do is you have to think when you and that specific person are together with each other, what you need to do. So what you will be doing currently while you are away, or when you are about to wake up, what you want your partner to do. Some might be thinking that my partner want to give me some coffee. He wants to prepare me, or she wants to prepare coffee and give, or juice and give, whatever it is, whatever sort of fantasies you want, you can imagine it. Each sort of person is having different perception about love, and I highly respect it. So now it is about your version, what sort of image you wanted to bring it over there. Then just start to write down. Remember, while you are scripting, write as if your dream has already accomplished, or you can write like this, or you are experiencing it right now. It's better that you can write as if you are experiencing it right now. For example, I'll tell you, I'm so happy and grateful that me and my boyfriend are back together. He is more loyal to me, he loves me, he is so romantic. Each and every day he tells me I love you. This is something that I want him to say each and every day. That is, I love you. Maybe your boyfriend is or girlfriend is not telling you I love you, or this is something that you want to hear from that specific person. You can write like this, but begin each and every one of your scripting journal using I am so happy and grateful. This should be your first statement to the scripting, and after that whatever you wanted to sketch, how your boyfriend or that specific person's life, how you both want to live together as an, not as an individual but as together as one person, how you both will be living in your home, how you both will be sharing the kitchen, how you both will be, how your both afternoon will be, morning will be, evening will be, nights will be. You can just imagine and you can just start to script. While scripting, make sure you bring emotions into it. By inputting the emotions, I am pretty much sure that your manifestation process will instantly work like magic. Instantly it is going to work. Okay, so I hope that step number 2 is completely and clear. In step number 2, what you need to do is, you need to start scripting using I am so happy and grateful. This is the first statement that you need to write. This is our sketch, or this is our the catalog we say, no, this is something like that. And then only you can write as if your wish. Please note down in your pen and paper. You can write, you should start as if that particular dream is happening to you right now, or you are experiencing it right now. For example, if you are having $1 million with you, what and all you will be doing? You will be buying all sort of things that you wanted. No, so you will be having a long list of things, right? In the same way, when you and your specific person are back together, you can sketch what and all your partner to do for you, what and all he wants to be, what and all your dreams are with that specific person. This is something that you need to write in this. In by doing this simple things, no, that can make a huge difference. And I'm sure that if you do this step number 1 and 2 very properly and very clearly, then definitely on the 21st day he is going to come back to you, and that's for sure. Here comes our step number 3, that is letting go. My friends, letting go, I know that this is the most difficult part in any of our manifestation process. When I'm saying letting go, the people are asking me, how can I let that person go? My dear friends, I'm not asking you to let go of that person. I am asking you to let go of the negative thoughts that you might be thinking about that person. It's like, see, when we are thinking too much about something, what happens is a lot of negative thoughts starters to arise in our minds, right? So when I was a student and when the exam is or day after tomorrow or tomorrow, I used to think a lot. I used to think like, oh my god, what I'm going to do for the exam, whatever I have studied, will those questions will be coming for the exam? If I get low marks, what will my parents say? Oh god, please help me. These sort of things, no, these sort of negative thoughts started to arise in my mind, even though I was studying. But still, what happens is, I won't be able to get good marks in that exam. But there was another subject which was my favorite subject, but I does not take it so hard. I just take it so lightly. I used to think like, whatever happens, I know, I'll just go and write the exam and come back. So I'm just cool. So the exam which I wrote without studying, I got very nice marks. And the exam which I wrote after studying and doing much revisions, I got low marks. Why? Because I was not confident about me. This is something that you need to do. This is something that you need to work on. You need to become more confident on yourself. You need to think that whatever is there, I am going to manifest that person back in my life, and this is for sure. And then just leave that matter for the rest of the day. When you leave the matter for the rest of the day, no matter whatever happens, the universe will bring back that person to you, and he will or she will, or the specific person will definitely unblock you, and even you can get a marriage proposal out of it. So what are you waiting for? Use these 3 techniques. Okay, so until I come with my next video, till then, take care and bye bye. If you are someone new, please consider in subscribing to my channel. If you are someone who has